Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 67 registered Volkswagen Passat R-Line. Now this is the 2 litre TDI DSG automatic and it is fully loaded to the eyeballs. So the car is presented in the pearlescent white metallic and it's sat on the absolutely pristine 19-inch alloy wheels, and they're just an absolute delight to look at. Absolutely beautiful them, aren't they? Externally we get the chrome detailing, we've got the privacy glass. This one has the panoramic glass sunroof. We've got front and rear parking sensors, but the car has been maintained by the Volkswagen dealer from brand new. The details and the images are all there. I've got the service history in the car, so I'm going to show you some of them. Cam belt and water pump were recently done at a cost of over £1,000, as well as having the gearbox oil service as well. Now, as I say, the paint is in lovely condition. Just look at it. The front end is blemish free. I do like the high gloss black finish on the later vehicles. These are more a limousine, pure luxury on this car. You don't see these a lot, and you certainly don't see them in pearlescent white. Just look at the lines on that car for a moment. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now when you take a look at all the wheels, you can tell that this car has been, whoever owned it, it's their pride and joy, not a mark on the wheel. Now when we detail it, we'll remove them wheels, wash them inside out, detail the calipers and the discs. But the paint is in high gloss finish and there isn't a dent, man, ding or mark along this passenger side, and the driver's side then mirrors that as well. Everything about that car is in absolutely pristine condition. Tyres are all fantastic. We've got matching what they're on. It's running Pirelli tyres, this one. Privacy glass, panoramic glass roof is open there, so you can see what a gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. Now coming round to the rear, we have the chrome tailpipes. We've got the BLUEMOTION TDI. This one has the electric boot as well. But when we open the boot, we're greeted by this plastic boot liner. Now that protects any damage or marking of the carpet underneath, and that is in as new order. And we've got a full-size spare wheel as well. You don't see them very often these days, let me tell you. 60/40 split rear seat. Press the electric boot and that then closes. As I say, this is the BLUEMOTION technology vehicle, but a gorgeous, gorgeous car. 360-degree cameras, so it's got surround camera system as well for parking, so you'll never ever be struggling at all in the parking bay. The paintwork is there of the same on the driver. It's in high gloss finish and absolutely gorgeous throughout. Now the inside of this car is where the luxury and the wow factor is. We've got the two-tone leather interior. Just look at that. Grey down the centre and black sort of ribbed carbon fibre look on the outers. Now this one has the electric memory seat. The driver's seat is also massaging. So we've got 4 electric windows, power folding electric heated door mirrors. We've got the DYN-Audio, or Audio, which is the upgrade speaker system on Volkswagen. So the ergo comfort, you can see there, we've got the massage button and then we've got the 2-way memory seat. The seat on the driver is electric and the lumbar is as well. We do have an electric seat on the passenger, but as you can see, that lovely carbon style weave in the leather interior is just beautiful. The R-Line has the embossed seat, a real sense of luxury and occasion in this vehicle. We've got the digital cockpit then, or the interactive cockpit. As I jump in there, you can see the mileage on the vehicle is 45,003 miles. I'll start her up and then you can see that interactive dashboard. Closing the door then, and that will go through to the system. Now, clock in the centre, and then as we come down the dial, we've got the high gloss black finish around all the switches, and that's in immaculate condition. Digital climate control and heated seats. Automatic hold handbrake, and then throughout the system we then have the media player, so you can Bluetooth connection, navigation system. We then have the traffic system there as well, so if you're on a journey, you've got traffic as well. the car, the menu, so you've now got mirror link, app connect, voice control, Bluetooth phone. This particular one has the Volkswagen media player, so you can put your CD in there as well. Now, the history on the vehicle is all here. We have a fully stamped up book, and then also every bill and receipt from day one. This one is the cam belt, so carry out transmission, oil drained and replaced, cam belt and tensioner, water pump, and that bill there was over £1,000. Last service on the car was at 42,338 miles, and that was effectively in the 3rd of August 2022. So there's a bill and receipt for everything at Volkswagen there, as well as a fully stamped up book pack. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Now the interactive cockpit is there, so we can hopefully press the button, dip beam on. I'm not sure what that is referring to. Now it's talking to me. I'm not sure I had it working before, but anyway, you can see the photographs and I've got the interactive cockpit working. Now, we've got the carbon style door inlay as well. I don't smoke. I can tell the last keeper was not a smoker on this car either, or even it's ever been smoked in. That vehicle smells fresh and new and is good as the day it left the factory. That car is absolutely immaculate. Opening the rear, we've then got climate control as well for the rear, and the black and the leather seats follow through with that. Just look at that. Look at the leg room in there. Absolutely. Gosh, you could sit in there forever. Again, you can 60-40 split the seat there and load through. So you've really as versatile as an estate car, that. But just take a look at that vehicle. This vehicle is without apologies. Let me say that. Without disappointment, and then completely immaculate. Pearlescent white, 19-inch wheels, panoramic roof, two-tone luxury leather, massaging driver's seat, memory driver's seat, 360 surround camera system. Gosh, and all in a vehicle which is capable of over 60 miles to the gallon. That is where it is. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, if you've got a part exchange, give us a call. If you've got a finance you need, give us a call. We'll give you a quote on all of that. Anything you need, I'm Graham, we've got Dom and we've got Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. So, as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.